Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel auto payment on Netflix. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, double check if your Netflix app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. Now as you can see right here, if you want to cancel auto payment on Netflix, what you're going to do to remove a payment method, just go ahead to the manage payment in the info page and delete the payment method that you want to remove. And then you may need to sign in if you haven't already, and if you only have one payment method on file, you can remove it without adding a new payment method first, and verify by trying to get like at least the money payment, so they can verify that this is your actual account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.